Hopefully I open my mouth up properly, especially with the moustache. Kiwis don't move our top lip that much. Hi, I'm Joe Simpson, currently residing in Christchurch, New Zealand, and this is my trusty C.C.R. Been on S&M 10 years, and this is my third C.C.R. that I've had in that time. Clint just knows the angles, and why mess with a great design? So yeah, 2175 top tube. I'm fairly tall, so having a bit more room up front definitely works well for me. Up front we've got three of the building's most dependable riders. I've got some Mike Hoda grips with a Jordan Hango raw deal handlebar and a 10-inch rise, and then a Credence Turtleneck Stem.
What's that got to do with me? I don't know.
Pitchforks, 33mm offset, nice and classic. Yeah, haven't had another fork on my bike in the last 10 years, and why change? The hubs on this bike I've had for about almost 9 years now. The Profile Mini S&M Shield collab. The rear's gone through a few different axles and a few different rims, but the front wheels completely unchanged since then. Those things just look too cool to take off. I can't bear to let go of them. Alright, drivetrain. Crank-wise, fit blunt cranks, 24mm spindle, 175 length. I like pedaling. Got a 33 tooth S&M Chainsaw Sprocket. Big fan of the Sprocket, one being slightly bigger in a 33, I think just looks tough, and also just a classic sort of 3-spoke design, really into it. Yeah, for seating duties, the S&M Railed Seat coupled to a Thompson railed post. Tyres, up front 2.4 Mainline, usually would have a 2.1 Speedball on the back. Unfortunately I sliced that on a big piece of glass about 4 days before leaving, so I just bought something from the bike shop for the trip. I'll put a Speedball on soon. CCR's got the welded chainstay brakes, which I'm a big fan of. Brake-wise, E-Clark calipers with cool stop pads and a fly lever, and then I've also got a white brake cable in respects to my friend Craig Stevens, who tragically passed away earlier this year. He would always run a white brake cable, so kind of reminds me of him every time I look down. And also cut a little bit too long, like he would also cut it as well. Currently got metal pedals on, Odyssey Dugans, these ones I believe. Otherwise, if I'm doing tail whips or riding padless, then I'll have some S&M BTMs on there. Yeah, so that's been my bike. It's yeah, classic. It's long and sleek, just like me. Goes fast. Hasn't changed too much, but hey, the CCR is a classic design, and I'm a big fan of it. So why mix it up? Big thanks to S&M for 10 years of support.